first thing we need to do is find some ants. Knowing that ants like sugar, I squished up some blueberries. So we're gonna go look for them now.
Don't get attracted by the food. You can always pick them up with your hands, and if they escape, you gotta put them back in. But don't hurt them. That's ant abuse.
So the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to build our home base. I just found these 2 boxes that were in my house. And then we're going to connect them so that the ants that are in this box are able to travel to this box once we open up the door.
And if you're not able to build it, if you don't have any boxes, you can use water bottles, toys. I use the Legos to build the construction.
What are you going to do? Show us your contraption. How are you going to close it off?
To close it off, I'm going to put some saran wrap over it so that the ants cannot climb into it.
And then how are you going to get it from one location to the next?
I have a door, so I'm going to open up the door.
So what I just did, I cut off the tops of the box so that it's flat for both of these. And then I cut like a hole like about the size of a quarter. And then this one, it doesn't have to be that small, but a hole in the side of it so that you can tape the 2 boxes together and you can see that it's a clear path between both of the boxes. We don't want the ants to go through the hole first, like when we first put them in. So we're gonna put like just the piece from the box and we're gonna put it against the hole so the ants can't go through it yet. So just like kind of tape it there. And then once you're ready for your experiment, you can take it off and then the ants are able to travel through. So we've caught about 10 ants so far. And the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to move them from the container with the food into our boxes, which is the home base. And just remember when you put them in there to give them water because they're still alive and they need to be taken care of, and all living things need water.
Not really. Try.
Once you've gathered about 10 to 15 ants in your holding station, you're ready to start your experiment and collect your data. And then once you've collected it, you can compare it to the ants that were on the ISS.